South China Morning Post, 23 May 2023, Asian spy app after a U.S. state moved to prohibit the app, TikTok sues Montana. China forbids the operation of any Western apps, but it wants the ability to employ spy apps globally. On Monday, TikTok filed a lawsuit to oppose Montana's recent prohibition on using the Chinese-owned short video espionage app. TikTok, which ByteDance owns, claims the restriction, which would go into force on January 1, violates both the company's and its users' First Amendment rights. In China, these liberties do not exist. The lawsuit, which was filed in U.S. District Court in Montana, also makes the argument that the ban is preempted by federal law because it infringes on areas that are solely under federal jurisdiction and violates the U.S. Constitution's Commerce Clause, which restricts the ability of states to pass legislation that unreasonably burdens domestic and international trade. The first U.S. state to try to outlaw TikTok is Montana. The Chinese company WeChat and former President Donald Trump 2020 wanted to ban new downloads of the applications, which the firms said would have effectively banned the use of the services. However, several court rulings prevented the bans from going into effect. As indicated by the state's choice to single out the plaintiff for heavy fines based on speculative worries about TikTok's data security and content moderation policies, the firm further claims that the state banishes TikTok, and just TikTok, from the state for purely punitive reasons. 5 Montanans who use the short video app TikTok and are sponsored by China last week filed a lawsuit in federal court to challenge the state's ban. Greg Gianforte, the governor of Montana, signed legislation outlawing TikTok on Wednesday. It is against the law for TikTok to function in Montana and for Apple's and Google's respective app stores to sell TikTok there. The person tasked with upholding the legislation is Austin Knudsen, Montana's attorney general, named in TikTok's case. An inquiry for comment made on Monday did not immediately receive a response from Knudsen's office.